Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ATER, BRLL, CEI, DSGT, HRAA, ILUS, PHIL. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times, if something hot comes across our desk, we will send a text-only alert out to our subscribers. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. First up is ATER. While it's no longer a penny stock, it was a penny stock just last month. It got as low as $3.04. Been on a tremendous run this month, and this comes as the stock is squeezing the shorts. Right now, 27% of the float is short at 18 bucks a share. That's a $117 million bet by the shorts that the stock will drop. For every $1 that ATR rises, the shorts are losing $6.6 million. And we really like these NASDAQ low float short squeeze plays because Robinhooders, Webull players, traders can play these stocks. Many OTC stocks are not available. I know on Robinhood can't trade OTC. Webull has some. This allows more buying to be able to come into the stock. You got the Wall Street Bets crowd pumping it up, and this is really what's allows the short squeezes to happen. More buying, less selling. It's simple, supply demand economics. So we definitely like what we see here, and these are the types of plays that when it comes to NASDAQ that we look for our subscribers, whereas on the OTC it's more the story and what upcoming catalysts, whereas NASDAQ it's mostly a technical, a catalyst with a PR drop, but it's mostly technical because you got a lot of option plays. You can't trade options on OTC, but NASDAQ you can, and then you get these gamma squeezes where the Robinhooders, the Webull traders are all buying options on these plays. That forces the market makers to go in and buy the stock, so that just drives the stock higher. So again, these are the setups that we look for, and for those of you that are in ATR, congratulations. We close above 20, definitely can squeeze the shorts more. The only thing keep in mind is the RSI is 82, could be a little bit overbought, and you got the 200-day moving average at $19.58. So we need to close above 20. If that happens, we're going to keep running. So just learn to use these technicals. It's not that complex. You know, these are the things that we look for. If you look at the 20 and the 50, the 20 is at 640, the 50-day is 844. You know, once it got above those two moving averages, it ran right to the 200-day. So, you know, these technicals, I mean, everyone says, oh, it's coincidental. It's not. This happens more often than not. So learn to use RSI, moving averages, and, you know, simple support and resistance. It'll make a huge difference in your trading and also in your P&L. You know, if you had got in above the, you know, if you didn't even get the lows, but what you got in above the 20 and the 50-day, you knew right once it hit the 200-day to book some profits. If we get above here, you can then jump back in. So, you know, learn to trade around your position. Even if you didn't take everything off the table, it allows you to, you know, book some profits. And in the end, it's all about, you know, P&L, and you don't have a P&L until you actually sell. BRLL up 47%. This is one talked about in our weekend video. We do weekend recaps every weekend. That's why I suggest you go and subscribe to our channel. We basically summarize what's working on in penny stocks on OTC and NASDAQ, and what's not working. So you know, and you know, then, you know, for our subscribers, they get special alerts. So, you know, it's important that you know, you go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com to get our best ideas. CEI was one of those best ideas we talked about beginning of the month. Nice triple here. Guys were complaining on social media about this one being down yesterday. Guys, again, you know, the RSI got above 80. It's still at 80. You're going to get some profit taking. Nothing ever goes up in a straight line. You know, just you got to learn that and book profits along the way. DSGT, been an incredible runner the past couple of past 10 days or so, up another 15% on Monday, so definitely a nice move there. We talk about DSGT in our latest article. It's a recap for Monday. DSGT, we had nailed this one last year when it was trading at only 15 cents. It ran to $1.50. So, you know, this one definitely has a lot more room to run. And if you look at the 200-day, the 20 and the 50-day, they were both together at 0.1795, 0.1789. Got above here. Look at that. I mean, just once it got above there, the stock just took off. Next resistance is the 200-day of 41 cents. So keep that in mind. And, you know, we also got an RSI of 83. But the big one to talk about is HRAA, a 10-bagger. This is a David Lazar shell play. I talked about this one over the weekend. What's going on there? David Lazar is basically the Chamath Palihapitiya of the OTC. He specializes in custodial plays. So basically, this is a guy that gets control of a shell and then goes looking for a company to merge with. The company that is on watch is Ameriguard Security, has over 100 million in government contracts, and you know, if that's the case, this merger will, if it happens, then you're looking at a NASDAQ listing. So this run could just be getting started, but just again, keep in mind, you know, you got an RSI over 93, but this is a 10-bagger. Again, you know, if it goes to NASDAQ and this merger happens, you know, you could be looking at 20, 30, 40, 50 bagger. I mean, easily. So definitely one that you want to put on your radar. I wouldn't go chasing it here. If you miss this move, wait for the dip and wait for some merger confirmation. ILUS, this is one we've been talking about a lot. Great chart here. Up 500% since August. New highs, backed off a little bit yesterday. Again, RSI a little bit overbought. But we need a close above 20 cents. If we get that, I'm going to keep running. So definitely a nice setup here. And if you look at the moving averages, if you were looking to buy dips, it basically hugged the moving average all along. So definitely the 20 was acting as support, and it was a great area to load up on your dips. Lastly, PHIL. This one's been running for the past 4 days. Well, bottomed here 4 days ago and made a nice move past 2 days, up 21%. This has been really popular on iHub. Big history of moves. Again, if you look at this chart, this is why we say buy dips, sell rips. Every rip you sold, you got an opportunity to buy the dip, load up again, got another move, pulls back, and then runs again. So this one has a history of price spikes. Definitely one you want to keep on watch. I'm going to include a link to our latest article, the Penny Stock Market Recap for September 13th. Basically, it's a written form of what I just discussed. Goes into more details. I'm going to start doing this on a daily basis. If you like this article, please leave a comment. Let me know. If there's stocks you want me to cover, let me know. If there are things, questions you may want answered. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinion only. So, if you got more in-depth questions, I would highly recommend you talk to a financial advisor. But with that being said, we're very happy with the price action on Monday. Let's hope it continues on Tuesday. We have a new alert coming at the bell for subscribers. Really like this one. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. And the reason we do at the bell is that many market makers subscribe to us as well. And then people put in their orders pre-market, and then the market makers basically are able to bid up the stock, and then they just dump it into you. So that's why we, alert at the bell. This way, everyone has a fair chance to get the best price for our alerts. So with that being said, make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com with both your email and your mobile number. And best part is both are free. Have a great day. Good luck to everyone that gets our alert today. And I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.